Black. OE style. Direct fit. Single. Limited 5-year warranty. Black interior door pull kit. Fits full or half doors. This kit repairs one door. Direct OE replacement parts and accessories from Omix-Ada are built to original specifications. All replacement items are backed by a limited 5-year manufacturer's warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect upgrade for the money. I used this to replace old, faded teal-colored plastic door pull handles in a 1993 Chevy G30 Coachman RV. They were easy to install. Just 2 sheet metal screws and allowed some flexibility to mate to existing holes. They looked really nice when applied over new gray felt door upholstery. Everything else I looked for was either ugly as sin or way overpriced. Very happy.